Who are you?
I'm Ethan.
What's your role on Scarecrow?
I don't really do anything actually. My name is Ethan and I'm the director of Scarecrow. I was working on a totally different idea, and then about 12 hours before the deadline to pitch the game, I decided to completely switch directions. I just thought it wouldn't make a great AGP. So I came up with this and somehow it got greenlit. It's been one of the most fun years I've ever had. The people on Scarecrow are just fantastic. I look forward to coming in every single day. Um, this is just the biggest group of silly, unserious, and laser-focused people I have ever met. They are so ridiculous and yet so productive at the same time, and I feel so lucky to have had the opportunity to do so.
Hi, my name is Coleman Park. I'm a senior in the Game Development and Interactive Design program at USC. Being the lead producer on Scarecrow is challenging. Every time that we have class, every time that we meet for lab, there's a different challenge, I think, because we work with so many different people in production, but specifically as a lead producer, I try to work with as many people on the team as possible. And that entails different challenges, both within understanding what they're working on, but also understanding who I'm working with and finding the way to enable them best. It's not just been challenging, but it's been very rewarding. Because I have the privilege of working with almost everyone on the team, I think I get to see the progress they make over the course of a year. It's just very rewarding to see people improve and also contribute to a project they all care about. And seeing it come together is a privilege for both me and who I work with.
Being the engineering lead on Scarecrow is a lot of responsibilities. I help architecture and maintain the code base and assign tasks to the engineering team. And I also am responsible for providing technical support to the entire team. And most importantly, I collaborate with other disciplines to make sure that their work goes as smoothly as they can, and then their work can get into the game. We have some of the most talented people from USC Games on the team. It's been a pleasure working with them and see the game come together.
Hello, I'm Daryl. I'm the art director for Scarecrow. I think it's a lot of fun. It's definitely a lot of work as well. It's constantly giving feedback to the artists and constantly making sure that the art style is consistent throughout all of the different models and all the different assets. And it's also a lot of working with the designers and engineers on the team to make sure that we're all headed towards the same goal.
Hi, I'm Neha Sharma. I'm the art producer on Scarecrow. We've been really lucky to have a very dedicated and talented art team this year, so art production on Scarecrow has been really smooth. I've redone our backlog about 5 times because the team works so fast that they're almost impossible to keep up with. I think we've been really lucky to have a very strong direction on our visual development from the start, and so it's really just been go, go, go from the start of the year. And I'm really proud of how far we've come.
Hi, I'm Jazz. I'm the lead designer on Scarecrow. I'm a current senior in CS Games. It's been a really definitely a learning experience. I think coming into it, I wanted to kind of take everyone's opinions to heart. But I think what I've really learned is to be loud, and which isn't honestly the advice you usually get, but I think being loud and being assertive, especially in design situations, and having an opinion is really important for my specific position.
My name is Luke Kuroda. I am a junior studying IMGD, and I'm minoring in computer programming, and I am the audio lead on Scarecrow. It's a lot of, as a lead position, it's a lot of management, so I do a lot of making sure everyone gets their stuff in on time, communicating with the other departments, making sure they have all the sounds they need, and then I keep track of the Notion that we use in our Google Drive just to make sure everyone's on time, submitting stuff, making sure the quality of the audio is good, everything matches together and kind of fits our general view of the project.
I'm Ashley. I'm the narrative design lead for Scarecrow, and I'm a senior in the game design BFA. I mean, it's a one-person team. It's been fun. It's been challenging to tell a story without dialogue, and it's been exciting to develop the characters and see them come to life in the game. It's been really fun. I think the team is all really committed to the vision, and everyone has a lot of great ideas, and I feel like everyone's voices have really been heard So it's been a really great experience. Definitely my favorite AGP so far.
My name is Eric Song, and I'm the UI UX lead of Scarecrow. While working as a UI UX lead, I realized that UI UX is actually a combination of engineering, design, and art altogether. My general process of UI creation was that I'll first communicate with the design team that what information do I have to deliver to the user. And then I'll discuss with the engineering team how exactly we're going to implement that into our game. And then finally, I'll talk to the art team and I'll come up with the design that appropriately delivering the game information while still maintaining the aesthetic of our intended art.
I'm Felix, the usability lead of Scarecrow. It's really fun. It's different from the other leads in the sense that I only have really one other person to work with. So we are kind of more like partner instead of me just telling, like, doing people work. And it's very hands-on, and I think that makes it really, really fun because I'm kind of always the first to reap like the fruits of our team's work and see that in action. I really appreciate that facet of being usability.
I'm Brian Broussard. I'm the marketing lead on Scarecrow. It's honestly such a great moment within all of our lives where we're creating a game, not just for monetary value, but things that we actually love about gaming. To be able to work with so many talented people behind the scenes really means a lot. I mean, whether it be people from usability, QA, all the way up to working with our director, it just means so much to work with so many great people, and it's a very special moment.